gonna make a healthy spring and summer snack. I'm gonna use peanut butter and celery. So you spread it on. So here I'm gonna hold it up for you and show you. We just spread it on. So there, me spreading it on, and it's really healthy for you because peanut butter is the healthiest thing in the whole wide world. And I'm doing a couple for a later snack. So if you want to, if your kids can't have peanut butter, I usually use sour cream, but we don't have any sour cream. So you can use sour cream or ranch, any dressing. But today I'm making a healthy video, so I'm using peanut butter. So I'm doing it until we fill the inside of it. So, I only have 3 more to go, and our snacks could be ready in 5 minutes or 15 minutes. And then we put it in the freezer, because it needs to be cold. So, and we let it sit in the freezer for a couple minutes. So, and then I have only 1 more to go. So, I only have 1 more to go, and so, you hear me still trying to get this top thing up, and I hope you give me a big huge up, and let's try to get, in 2 days, I want to try to get this to 100 likes, and if you have social media, share this video with your friends on your social media, and hope you have a great weekend. Goodbye.